A severe weather warning remains in place for heavy rainfall for the mid-north coast, parts of the Hunter and northern Tableland forecast districts. Bureau updated at about 4 AM at New South Wales time. We have heavy rain in mid-north coast in parts of the Hunter northern Tableland districts. That is the headline. A strong wind warning is also in place for the Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney coast. A flood watch remains in place for New South Wales Central Coast, Newcastle, Lower Hunter and Manning Rivers. The webcams are Port Macquarie and Brunswick Heads. Hazardous surf warning in place for the Gulf's Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney coast. That's for a hazardous surf warning. And considering what is on the local and tropical weather scenes, in this update we are focusing on the New South Wales overall scene. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, and I'm David and I'm based here in Brisbane, Queensland. I'm one of two that manage the AU channel. Here's the total forecast of rain and water picture. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen, and we have an interesting weather system impacting New South Wales. A strong slow moving high pressure system south of Tasmania extends a ridge along the New South Wales coast, and a low pressure trough rise off the central and north coast. The trough is directing very moist, unstable onshore winds, bringing heavy rainfall, thunderstorms across the mid-north coast and to the parts of the Hunter, northern Tableland districts. This may lead to dangerous conditions in these areas. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding expected. Mid-north coast, parts of the Hunter, northern Tablelands. In the Hunter region, the rain is expected to ease during this morning. Heavy rainfall with rainfall rates exceeding 70 millimetres an hour are also possible with thunderstorms in these these areas. 100 to 200 millimetres expected in the warning area during Wednesday night. Thursday, heaviest falls contracted to the mid-north coast, northern Tablelands, and some areas could exceed 200 millimetres in a 24-hour period. Locations which may be affected include Gulfs Harbour, Port Macquarie, Taree, Kempsey, Sauntel, Warrego, Nelsons Bay, Dungog and Paroo Ridge. Since 9 AM, Tocal, TACAL, has recorded 124 millimetres of rain. William Tower 122, Maitland 109. And Dungog recorded 68 millimetres in an hour on top of the 117 millimetres yesterday. And as mentioned, flood watch for the New South Wales Central Coast, Newcastle, Lower Hunter and Manning rivers. Now we have a look at the rainfall precipitation on the BSCH website, and it's the GFS model. The precipitation values are at the bottom left hand side of the screen, and this is from 7 AM to 10 AM Friday. Now we have a look at the wind model GFS on the same website, and the wind speed in knots also the bottom of the screen. And as mentioned, the Force 13 AU will be increasing the frequency of the updates. Please stand by. We will be looking at the tropical weather scene. We have tropical cyclone markers. We have Invest 94p Gulf of Carpentaria, and on the radar Invest 95p.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.